Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard underground beats. We will start by laying down the foundational elements. First, select a powerful kick drum with a strong low-end punch, ensuring it hits hard. Next, layer a sharp, snappy snare drum to cut through the mix effectively, giving your beat definition. Finally, choose a driving tempo, typically between 130 and 140 beats per minute, to set the energetic pace. Now, let's craft the core rhythm that defines underground beats. Program a consistent four-on-the-floor kick pattern to provide relentless energy and drive. Then, introduce offbeat closed hi-hats to create a tight, hypnotic groove that keeps listeners moving. For added movement and texture, incorporate open hi-hats or ride cymbals on the upbeats. This combination forms the backbone of your powerful, rhythmic foundation. Next, we'll dive into the crucial elements of deep bass and dark textures. Design a powerful sub-bass line that perfectly complements your kick drum's rhythm, providing a solid low-end foundation. Introduce dark, atmospheric pads or drones to build tension and add depth, creating an immersive soundscape. Don't shy away from applying distortion or saturation to various elements for that gritty, raw, and authentic underground sound. Finally, let's focus on arrangement and the crucial final mix. Arrange your beat with impactful drops, exciting builds, and strategic breakdowns to maintain listener engagement and dynamic flow. Carefully mix your drums and bass to achieve a powerful, cohesive low end that truly hits hard. For mastering, aim for a loudness target typically between -6 and -9 LUFS, ensuring your track is loud and impactful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.